Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to make money with ChatGPT. Are you ready to unlock the full potential of ChatGPT and start earning passive income? Then you're in the right place. 1. Content creation on steroids. Generate high-quality articles, blog posts, and more effortlessly. Take your freelance writing and content creation to new heights with the power of ChatGPT. Imagine being able to produce a steady stream of engaging, well-written, and error-free content with minimal effort. From crafting attention-grabbing headlines to generating product descriptions, ChatGPT's advanced language processing capabilities open up a world of opportunities to monetize your skills and create a passive income stream without having to spend hours brainstorming ideas and editing. 2. E-commerce product descriptions. Stand out and boost sales effortlessly. Are you familiar with online marketplaces such as Amazon, eBay, and Etsy? Then you know the power of a well-written product description. With ChatGPT, you can take your e-commerce product descriptions to the next level. Generate compelling, accurate, and error-free product descriptions that will help increase visibility, boost sales, and set your products apart from the competition. Imagine being able to scale up your e-commerce business quickly by creating product descriptions that are optimized for search and sales in a fraction of the time. 3. Master social media management. Create engaging posts, captions, and hashtags effortlessly. With ChatGPT's ability to understand and analyze social media trends, you can use it to generate compelling social media posts, captions, and hashtags that will help businesses increase their online presence, attract new customers, and drive sales. Imagine being able to help businesses stand out in a crowded social media landscape and getting paid for it. 4. Email marketing mastery. Create personalized and effective email campaigns effortlessly. With ChatGPT's ability to write personalized and effective email campaigns, you can start offering your services to businesses looking to improve their email marketing efforts. Imagine being able to craft compelling and targeted email campaigns that drive conversions and increase engagement. Help businesses increase their ROI and get paid for it. 5. Chatbot development. Create bots that automate customer service and sales for businesses. You can create chatbots that automate customer service and sales for businesses, saving them time and resources. With ChatGPT's advanced language processing abilities, you can create chatbots that can understand and respond to a wide range of customer queries, making the customer service experience more efficient and personalized. Help businesses increase their efficiency and get paid for it. 6. Virtual writing assistant. Unlock the power of ChatGPT and become a virtual writing whiz. Offer your language processing skills to individuals and businesses for tasks like crafting emails, reports, books, and scripts, all from the comfort of your own home. Imagine being able to take on multiple writing projects at once without breaking a sweat, and getting paid for it. 7. Offer accurate and rapid translation services to businesses and watch your earnings soar. With its advanced language processing capabilities, ChatGPT can quickly and accurately translate text in various languages. This makes it an ideal solution for businesses looking to expand their reach and communicate effectively with customers in different languages. So, if you're fluent in multiple languages, this could be a great opportunity for you to make money by providing language translation services. 8. Unlock the power of ChatGPT and become a research ninja. With its advanced information gathering capabilities, you can offer your research services to businesses and organizations and blow them away with your speed and accuracy. Imagine having access to the most relevant and up-to-date information in minutes, allowing you to deliver high-quality research that sets you apart from the competition. Say goodbye to endless hours of searching and hello to efficient and effective research with ChatGPT. 9. Virtual event planning and management. Imagine being able to create captivating virtual event summaries, recaps, and reports that leave a lasting impression on businesses and organizations. This is your chance to shine as a virtual event planner, by offering your expert services and taking the virtual event world by storm. Whether it's organizing virtual conferences, webinars, or virtual networking events, the possibilities are endless and the earning potential is huge. 10. Revolutionize the way businesses handle their reports. With ChatGPT's advanced language capabilities, you can offer your expert services as a report writer, saving businesses time and resources by producing accurate and compelling reports in no time. This is an opportunity you don't want to miss, especially if you're passionate about business consulting and want to take your skills to the next level. From content creation to chatbot development, GPT-3 opens up a world of possibilities for you to monetize your skills and expertise. So don't wait any longer. Harness the power of GPT-3 and start exploring the endless opportunities it has to offer.